I just want to pay my respect to the U.S. Ambassador, the representative U.S. Ambassador Dennis Kostler, and Director of CSP, Director of Winery, Batasam Sheikh, and also to the staff from USAID that came along with the U.S. Ambassador. And I just want to pay my respect to one of the ladies, the Director of PNC, Liz Mudo, from Madolenihmw. I just pay my respect to Liz. Same time, thank you. Just on behalf of Madolenihmw Municipal Government, I just want to welcome all from U.S. Embassy and the directors and Liz and Larson and UG. Welcome to Madolenihmw Municipal Government. When kat ham sa kalay tuwal sa karatang mo, even welcome kay Bilben kachamo bel so machako ulam Madolenihmw o kay paro sung nato kasi walin ran kay katla purma ituan mo ang kurelu kung kurelu wabi isan sa ratawa ang kurelu belak wabi Madolenihmw ako purma kung salitan na wabi Madolenihmw even kachamo korusye o nan sa lumay mo teleno sumuway sangbat o pilpan nila sa wayo mapan program mapan musagla. Salamat po so welcome to Madolenihmw.
Kailangan kayo. Kayo po niyo, wow. Hindi ka lang. Saan ka po sa matay po. maker, and so forth. It's not wow until Katem, Ramsan Sadek, Mawat, Siyang Grid, Supplement, Sikaw, ang mga PNW Madolenihmw, Tungasakan, Kuliyagan, Gaptika, Tungal wow, ang Ramay. Kapuratong na office, Tungal wow, Lapkang, Puran na Katarlapalap, Wangki, Speaker, Miningkatar, Kariyaw, o sa punong matong tatawang panusyak, ang nilibot, papunong Puling Kawawan, Local Chief Executive, Sansal, Lugan Mandak, Kalangan ng Pongwit. Mountain United, Kuliyagan, US Government, Kuliyagan, US Embassy, Nelen, USAID. Now we have 3-level protocols. Mountain sa Corbusian, where we show Kuliyanti, Kids partner kan dari CSP, TNC, R&D, OFA, Oy Raikan, dan Oy Madolenihmw, yang sewase, Miningkatar, Oy Raikan, Kawata, tetap kita bertegar, continue bergerak. Mulai umur berjalan cuma, sampai matai tuan, kapung, yang kau Kis KBS protokol katuan way dukotokan kasi saya kak mami katuan way tetokot uya tetok kaya tetok kapyo tetok kak napi kaya tetok kapyo mami dapat katot tegen tetong ki community conservation officer. Putih sahabat, Madolenihmw. Israel may sempekan berkegiatan Community Conservation Initiative Mon CSP ako. CSP patoto sung katayala tatawagin CCO, the Community Conservation Officer. Ranwat kapin Pompey then puntapekan via Conservation Officer, Community Conservation Officer. Tatawagan na Israel Community Conservation Officer pagkatawagin elect tunang isang party sa Klimaw, Ranwat, may basi sa pangalap. Tatawag po nga may rin kasi nila doon po sa ananapan away sa was siyang government. So then yung sa was nagangkat sa government maaw siyang municipal government. Municipal government, okay yung karani community. Municipal government, gay community. We state government, Israel, kung may ako siya natlapukan, o Israel, ako naman, ang kusyon natkan. Kung kusyon nila, we are magkapong kayo ng bobe. Municipal government, nag-receive katong government, whether state or national. Open government natkan, was Israel kami sa usawas anak kasi. Dari ini batawan ko betatawag sa utak ka chelang pwede niya yung municipal plan kay Lugan Mandak Kapul Maray municipal plano Talieset Chief Minister Inu Kapul Maray plano Talieset Aranawat kaya paano yung kita ng langyo na pinanan siya lang. Kaya kulukod, kapagkusunkan siyang aliyan mo, then nandiyan, then nandewal, kalusalanan at kukay. Rini-rini katungki, Israel partners kan, William T.P. partners kan, TNC, R&D, Bombay State, OFA, o kuinakan ng Uy Madolenihmw, Eupenet, o kain sakala pupuntahan. Tuksong dato. Tuksong dato po pangkaway ang municipal government. Kurangkap iyamen dato kay den rakan kapali na tuwa sa posible apoy kanini kanam. Habang iyamen kaway ang municipal government kan ikat ewang community kan kung saan kan apalagi saya cakap betul-betul ya yes dan saya no Aiman tumutubot biban kapsong wali ang support ni tanong may pukurat kuya nagkis oral ba katong white kuya ray butokan ng pickup representative from the U.S. Embassy, our dear friends. We have some special guests here with us today. Today marks a significant era in the municipal government as we embark on a mission to start implementing the first of its kind, municipal government resilient plan. In the past 6 years, the partners of the state government and the NGOs helped municipal governments throughout Philippines developing strategic fisheries plans and aquaculture plans, but not to this extent where we are today with the municipal government of Madolenihmw in developing the first resilient plan. It is called the resilient plan because it covered the forest, the top of the mountain, all the way to the mangrove, and off to the reefs. And all these plans are not just to focus on the resources, but not to undermine the people that own these resources and need the resources for livelihood. So we are, on behalf of the partners, we are very hopeful that this plan will guide Madolenihmw municipal government in moving forward, moving further in partnering with the local communities in Madolenihmw, managing the natural resources from the mountains all the way to the sea. And we are very thankful for USAID for providing the resources needed for the development of this plan. And we are very thankful as well to equally to the Nature Conservancy who initiated the process at the beginning of the process all the way to the end. Your partnership is very crucial, and we look forward to continue partnering with USAID, the Nature Conservancy, Philippine state government in implementing this municipal plan. That concludes the remark on behalf of the technical partners in Philippine. Thank you all very much.
Dan kemudian future government Madolenihmw ya wow dan kemudian section nasional boleh waktu mau lebih ya yang yang suatu waktu tahun kita baca kita menunjukkan kemampuan yang terjadi di government atau penanganan keuangan kita coba menunjukkan kita bisa menunjukkan Kapag ito, nakita Mention saya, ya, lelai kami lelai dia, bawa dengan saya, bawa kerja kita jalan dari mami dengan sama sama dia kan pergi membaca wine, dia kan pergi kepada Rami dengan kita terus Orang sian ini bisa permainan so biasa waso jangan contoh itu tak itu kita terang. Saya bisa permain tetap sesuatu. Permainan itu orang yang panas, jadi kapan saya sampai saya weekend imparakan susah mencontoh. Yang suatu yang mengenai funding money. Jadi saya nanti yang sama mai sawat dari mai itu yang tadi itu dapat disebut. Kalau ini orang kayu itu dapat laut yang dapat. Jadi ini dapat sawat laut. Yang suatu saya dapat kita. Rajut ada di government, ada dia sampai dia tahu itu. Kita government kita kemudian kita sign ini. Kita tahu forward dari sansan ke pokok atau dari pasar orang kita. Itu sudah kafe pasar di mana kan? Right. Sawat kemudian sampai langsung katayo tentang kita kawin nanti yang buat kita orang sama. Tapi bagi nanti yang orang pacola saya terus sedang tetap saja. Ini dokumentasi lebih berharap sama mai pun moncer saya mengata saya cuba yang sedikit tahu. Kalau itu sudah baik. Kami awal dari kantor saya jadi akan jadi. Kami kan beberapa kita sama mai sawas kami saya kata yoi. Jawatan saya jadi adi semua nak pasal komunikasi nak kacui, nak kacui, anak kacuan kita. Aku beberapa kita kami bisa. Memang berdebat foto dia jadi kasih sebagai director privilege jadi dia tahu saya minta lewat cuma tadi itu cuma yang cuma tadi yang cuma dia cuma kapten director itu dapat pasti tahu tetapi untuk konsider kita oleh terangan jangan jadi kita sedang tetapi tadi ya kemudian cara yang betul cara kita kita terus jawab kita kita dalam care bisa berwarna saya potensial untuk ini dengan jasa nantinya karena kita mungkin besar untuk menjadi kita dapat kita dia tahu tapi kita dan kedua biar ada kau sedikit setahun yaitu dengan dan tentang timur funding Afghanistan katapos sa Michelle. Pagkakamo, we have to adapt to the creation ka sa Michelle. So, hindi ka para-parasi sa mga sumas yang nasa party ng Michelle. Diragam sa Pilipinas yan, o yung pagkakamo ng katapos. Ang pagkakamo ng tama dahil kasama sa pagkakawa na sa residensyo, kailangan yung commitment ito, kailangan
Mr. Dennis Osner on USA remarks.
Good afternoon, everybody. Before I begin my brief formal comments, Ambassador Johnson sends her best regards. Unfortunately, she had some urgent business that she was called away to this afternoon, so it's my honor and privilege to be here to speak with you today. So thank you for the invitation. So I begin by extending my respect to the Honorable Kiyomi Albert, Meninkedel Lapalap. You have to work with me on my pronunciation. I only got here in July, I'm working on this. The Honorable Ricky Butong and Meninkedel Kerimen and your staff. And also would like to recognize the Honorable Wetson Halep, Speaker, and members of the Legislative Council. And I also wish to pay respect to the mayors from the other municipalities that may be here, church leaders, and community leaders of help me out. Madolenihmw, thank you. Also, I want to acknowledge the partners that are here. So the Nature Conservancy, the Office of Fisheries Authority, Micronesia Conservation Trust, the Conservation Society of Pohnpei, the Pohnpei State EPA, and the Pohnpei State Resources and Development. And anybody that I missed, good afternoon to you as well. So today we celebrate the signing of this resilient plan. And this does mark an important and significant step towards the sustainable management of coastal resources, not only in this community, but Pohnpei at large. And as I look out and I see this small group of people, the significance is that this is where it starts, at the community level, right? In people's houses, in people's backyards, in the way that they take care of the shoreline. In these small communities that are then part of the larger community. So it is as important for the U.S. Embassy to be represented and taking part in an event this size, just as it is to take part in an event that's large in the capital in Palestine. Let there be no mistake about that. The collaboration among USAID, our Future, Conservation Society, and the municipality is a testament to the shared commitment to protecting the environment and supporting local communities. And by improving community-led resources, just as we have here, and fostering cooperation, we are laying the groundwork for healthier ecosystems, stronger livelihoods, and indeed, the well-being for everybody in the future. This plan is fully in line with our project goal of building resilient communities throughout the entire Pacific region. Okay, we do not live in isolation here or in any other island. Okay, it is a community, and we look at the region as a whole. The partnership with municipal governments is pivotal to this endeavor, and as local leaders, we know that you understand the unique challenges of your communities, and you are best positioned to implement these effective solutions. And these are solutions that we arrive at together. As we roll out the Resilient Plan, we are not just taking steps to enhance community resilience, but we're also working to reduce the threats posed by unsustainable fishing practices, which is really an insidious issue throughout this region and in other parts of the world as well. By promoting sustainable resource management and combating these illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing practices that jeopardize our coastal ecosystems and livelihoods, we bring solutions. So this plan, and also your work with other municipalities in Micronesia, align closely with the U.S. Indo-Pacific strategies. So this is a critical part of a much broader strategy. And the role you play, let there be no doubt, is important. And this strategy emphasizes our commitment to a free and open Pacific region by empowering local communities, which is a key to achieving that goal. And when communities are engaged in stewardship, they become vital guardians of their resources, and they ensure sustainability for future generations. And as we move forward, I encourage everyone to stay engaged and supportive. Embrace this opportunity to collaborate, to share ideas, to learn from one another. Your voices are powerful. People are listening, we are listening. And embrace this opportunity. Learn from one another. This is not just a plan on paper, as you can see. This is a call to action for all of us to work together and to protect our coastal environment. And you're seeing throughout your communities, you see what is happening here. There is actual action being taken. It's not merely words, it's not merely printing on a document. And remember that each small effort contributes to a larger impact, whether it's participating in resource monitoring or spreading awareness about sustainable practices. Your involvement matters. Together, we create a resilient future for our communities and natural resources. So, I personally, and on behalf of the Ambassador, and on behalf of the entire Embassy and USAID community, we thank you for your hard work and dedication, and we see it in real time. And I look forward to the remainder of my tour here, which is almost another 3 years, to seeing the positive changes that I know are going to happen during that time frame. And it is a humbling experience for me to see communities like this come together. And I'm very proud that in some way, shape, or form, I'm able to support that. So thank you, congratulations, and well done.
touchdown and so endorsement supplementary resilience management plan.
Hey.